Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today we're gonna keep on going with our ballet work. So today I've got for you a beginner's ballet center work. Perfect to follow along and to practice those steps. They're a little stubborn, but they're perfect. They are our basics and they are what we need to actually make up a dance. And speaking of making up a dance, I know many of you want to get into the beginners part of ballet and learn all the details and how the steps are called and how to perform them at their best. And this is why I've put together the beginners ballet course ready here for you, perfect for whatever we just talked about, and really practice all your steps to then make them into a beautiful dance. So it's going to be linked up here. Go and check it out. I can't wait to dance with you, but most importantly, I can't wait to dance with you right now. So put your ballet slippers on, find a space in your home, and let's dance. Breathe. Shoulders down. We go first, second, down. Good. We go up. Stretch everything. Back down. And open. Very good. One more time. Down. You call the music to arrive in each position. Good. You feel the resistance. Good. Little challenge. We go to plie. Good. We go down. If it shakes, good. Back to plie. And up. Because I'm nice, we're gonna go up to rise. Rise. Hold it there. Open the arm. Back down. One quick. Down. 2 second position. And one. Down. And up. Careful where the knees go. You've got the time to think. Very good. One more time. Down. Down. And up. Squeeze the bum, engage the quads. Down. Down. Recover. This one is tricky. Tailbone. Going down. 2. Slightly more. Very good. Coming back. Nice. You've got all the time. Engage the quads. Slow rise. 1. 2. Arms up. 1 quick. Back to first. Good. Put a bra down like a book. Roll up. Breathe. It's like a little dive. Good. From there, down. Lift your heels. And up. Down. And again. Down. Lift your heels. And up. We reverse it with the arms. Breathe. Head out of the pool. Very good. And lift. Keep on smiling. Good. Pick up 1 foot. Pick it up. Take it past it. Bring it back. Down. It's like you're carrying so much for the foot. Very good. Again. Down. Breathe. One more time. From here, pick up the arm. Up and over. Don't cover your face, I want to see it. The beautiful face you're drawing a rainbow. And again, other way. Oh, you're reaching. Good. Other way. From there we go down. First position, one arm up. And open. And again, pick up a bunch of flowers. And again, the elbows, pick up the elbows. Yes! We want big houses, not small houses. Good. One more time. Open. Finish nice and tall. We're gonna start with our feet. Hands on the hips. Point and demi. Point, demi, point, demi, point, demi, point and close. Oh yeah. If you feel the cramp under the foot, it's so good. Yes. To the side and point. Be nice and proud up here. Very nice and good. It's gonna be your next party trick. Back in front. Very good. Oh yeah, there is a bit of attitude. Close and point. Oh yeah. To side. Again. Point. Yes, feel these muscles here. Yes. Nicely worked. Good. Close. In second, we go 1, 2, 3. Brush and good again. And again. Sustain those elbows, I can see them. Keep on breathing and smiling. We go out, down, out, close, and again, down, and again. This time we're gonna add 2 glisses at the end of it. 1, down, up, close, and up, down, up, and again. 1. And breathe. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Breathe. From there, we're gonna go. Grab them on. 1. Yes. Breathe. Another leg. Yes, let's go. 2. Yay, double of the fun. Side. Good. Feel those arms, they're working too. Transfer of weight. 1. Push the leg. Yes. Up. Push the leg. Push. Yes. 1. Down. Push. Yes. Few more times. Push. Oh yeah. Push. 1. Push. Good. And breathe. We go down. Breathe. Lift. Down. Breathe. Stretch. Lift. Down. Down. Breathe. One leg in front. We go. Plie. 1, 2. Transfer the weight. 1, 2. Transfer the weight. Stay. Out. Transfer and change. Stay. And again. 1. Out. With the arm. stay. Out with the arm, stay. Out with the arm, stay. Out with, back to first. Plie, stretch, lift, open, down. Keep on smiling. Very good. Breathe. Stay. Shimmy. Oh, yeah. And breathe. Rond the jambe. We go down to the side, to the back, close in, and again, down, to the side like just we did, up and over. Very good, other way. One, side, back, back in, very good. One more time, up and over, up and over. Good. You just got to do side, down, side, yeah. Back. Bring it in, straight legs and down. Side, up and over. And up, again, down. Side, back. Bring it in, very good. Forward, side, up and over. Hold it, there we go. That way, up and over. Up and over. Up and over. Stay, plie, up and over. Yes, you're doing it. Up and over. Stay, down, glissade over. Glissade under, glissade over, and change, down, up, 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 we repeat, one, slightly more jumping, up and over, up, 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 and up and over, one little jump, up and over. One more time, up and over, jump. Foot, foot. Foot, foot, there's a hop. Good. Again, hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. And jump. Step aside. Step. And down. Good. And step. And down. Gorgeous. Step. Bow. Step, bow back to first, round, and over, good, quick, down, back, one more time straight, good, and change, whip it to the back, nice, smile, good, straight, back, straight, back, step, and bow, good, step over, bow, one more time, step over, bow, step, shimmy,